Hey guys, it's Miss Sheridan again, your favorite librarian. Today, I'm going to show you how to check out ebooks and read stories using a program called Sora. So, first of all, we need to get to Sora, and we're going to do that by using Rapid Identity. So, most of you know how to get to Rapid Identity. You want to make sure you log in as yourself. And when you get to Rapid Identity, instead of using Destiny this time, which is where we would normally go, you can come down here and there is an app just for Sora. Now, if you were in Destiny, there is a link off of the Destiny homepage to Sora as well. But since we're here in Rapid Identity, we're just going to click on Sora. It looks like a little rocket man flying through space. Click on him. And it's going to take us here, and it says sign in to Arlington Independent School. And there's a green button that you can click, and it will automatically sign you in. And once you get here, you have access to ebooks as well as audiobooks that you can check out and read. Now, this is in addition to the ebooks that we have here at RoArc, because these books are available to every person in Arlington schools. So all students in any school can come and check these books out. Because many different people can, a lot of times there's a little bit of a wait for that, but you can put a hold on the book and it will let you know when the computer system will let you know when it is ready. So you can scroll down, and there's lots of ways to search for books. Just as always, you can, if you know the title of a book, you can type it in. Let's say you wanted to read Dog Man. You can type in Dog Man, and it doesn't look like they have any Dog Man books. We'll have to talk to somebody about that. Let's go back, and you can search for, let's search for Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And there are lots of Diary of a Wimpy Kids that you can check out. If it's available, you click on the book. If it is available, you can come down here and it will say check out. But because this one says place hold, you'll have to place a hold and wait for someone to turn that one in. But that is one of the ways that you can look for books. You can search by the title. You can also come down here. There's lots of collections created for you with pictures of the book so you can look at it. So if you wanted to read a book about Hispanic Heritage Month, we have lots of books here. There's more than just this, so there's a place to click to see all of the books. Oh, Separate is Never Equal, one of my very favorites. There are subjects if you were looking for fiction books, nonfiction, biographies, fantasy, history. There's juvenile literature, juvenile nonfiction, funny books, which is humor. So there's lots and lots of different things to search for. We have an anti-racism and social justice category. There's books in Spanish. There are books that are just perfect for pre-K. There are books that are read-alongs that they'll read with you. There's social emotional learning. Also, for students who are interested in the Bluebonnet books, they have a copy of all of the Bluebonnet books here. Some of them you read yourself. There are some audio books. There are the 2x2 books for this year. There's some really great books on that list if you like picture books. So there's something for everyone. So once you find a book that you think you might want to look at, I am going to pick a Bluebonnet book. I'm going to see all of them. This is one of my favorite. What Do You Do with a Voice Like That? It's a biography of Barbara Jordan. Check it out. But this one is available. So you can click on the borrow button. And it lets you check it out. And you have it available for you on your device. And you can just, with your mouse, you just turn the pages like this, and it has all of the story from the picture book in the computer, and you can read the story yourself. When you are done, you can turn it back in. You can obviously close it. It is checked out to you, and it is due in 6 days. And so you can close it and come back into Sora and read it more if you don't finish it the first time. You can download it. If you have a device that you want to download it on, you can certainly do that. But when it's due, on the due date, it will automatically turn it in for you, or you can turn it in yourself. So because I've read this book, I'm going to go ahead and return it. And return. And then I don't have any more books, and so I can go back home. I'm sorry. Go back to Explore. And I can, again, look for different books. Like I said, these are all of our brand new Bluebonnet books for this year. So, like this one is already checked out, so you would have to place a hold. And if you wanted to place a hold, you just simply click, and it automatically does it for you. Oh, this one is very popular. We do have some copies in the library. This will take about 9 weeks, but then it'll email me and tell me that I have a hold ready, and I can come in here and open it up and read it. Excuse me. So Sora is very easy. Once you get in, you can go in and borrow a book. If it's not available, you can place a hold on it and enjoy reading some books. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, email me, have your teacher email me, whatever you need to do. Just enjoy your books. Thanks, and we'll see you later.